In Portugal's second largest city for this one. And we're underway. Portugal against Poland. Match day 5 of the UEFA Nations League. Each other's way. Bogusz with the outside of the... One back by Vitinha. Looking for number 5, Vitinha, tossed in, Ronaldo! Classic Chritiano. He raises the score to 5. Glum faces at one end of the stadium, but beaming smiles everywhere else. None bigger than that of Chritiano Ronaldo. Vitinha stands it up, and Ronaldo with the spectacular finish. A trademark finish.